Hello everyone, this is Thomas from What Thomas Says Media, and for this video I am going to do a review of the Signia by Hilton Bonnett Creek, which is in Walt Disney World's area hotels, and I just wanted to just give my thoughts and stuff on the pool there. The pool was absolutely amazing, really nice. The hotel was built in 2023, so it's literally a year old, so it's still brand newish and was amazing. They had a lazy river, a couple of pools, and also a water slide there. And as you see this aerial image, there's some beautiful tall palm trees. Just the decor was absolutely amazing and very refreshing. This was like a little oasis right dead smack in the outskirts of the Disney World area. It's actually inside when you drive through the Welcome to Disney World sign, so that was awesome about it. Here's another drone aerial that I shot. As you can see, it's in the back of the hotel, and it's tucked off really nice, and just the decor is just really nice. This pool has a really nice lazy river, and the floats that you see people with are complimentary. They're just first come first served. They're really just floating all around the actual lazy river. The lazy river connects to two sides of the pool, and here is a view just walking on the sidewalk, which you see of the hotel while you're literally right next to the pool. And yeah, it was just a great time, great weather this day that I had, and it actually wasn't too bad for it to be just before summertime, and a peak time. Just wasn't a lot of people out there. This pool area also has the cabanas, as you see, and the cabanas have TVs in there. They have lounges, they have drinks and refreshments, towels, and even ceiling fans to cool down with. So I just thought it was absolutely amazing to have that option out there. Like everything else, first come, first serve.
Yes,
when
we're
I
looking
got
for a
out
chair
there,
so you can sit
the
at.
guys were sold out. So I got out there like around 11 o'clock a.m. or so. So I suggest to get out there 9, 8 o'clock and get your cabana reserved. If not, there's plenty of beach chairs and lounges that are poolside that you can have. Also, once again, first come, first serve. And obviously, everybody wants to get the front chairs just to be able to see your stuff easier and just to have it closest to the pool. For safety reasons.
I'm gonna get you some. You gotta find a place to sit first, yeah?
Yeah, the lazy river was really nice. It took probably about anywhere from, I'd say about 7 to 10 minutes to go through the whole lazy river. And it was great. You didn't necessarily need a float to go through the river, so I thought that was nice. You could swim through it, just float around through it. Here is the gift shop area that you can purchase swimsuits, sunscreen, additional floats and toys and stuff for the kids, goggles, the towel area. You get new towels and also for your old ones. Here is the water slide. The first one I didn't have time to go on the water slide just because I had this it looked really nice. And right next to it is the